Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you. I am going to unbox and review a modern high gloss TV stand with a 36 inches electric fireplace. Perfect for TVs up to 86 inches. If you're looking to elevate your living space and create a cozy ambience, you're in for a treat. With that said, let me take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. A big thank you to all of you, my Glam Squad, for stopping by again today. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at decor.GlamStyleWithDalou and on Facebook and TikTok at GlamStyleWithDalou. I'm going to continue unboxing the TV stand. As you can see, I just unboxed the fireplace. My first impression, as you can see, everything is packaged really nicely and well protected. The second thing I noticed, all the parts came labeled. Of course, it came with an instruction manual and all the hardware that are going to be needed for the assembly. We're going to get started with the assembly. Of course, my husband is going to be doing it for me. I'm not going to show you the entire process, but I may point out a few things here and there if I find anything worth sharing. I'm super excited about this TV stand. I cannot wait to show it to you. We are almost done with the assembly. Now we are going to put the doors. Last thing is to put the LED strip light. Assembly wasn't too bad at all. We are done. And there it is, totally assembled, and it is looking fantastic. First off, let's talk about this beautiful high gloss finish. It's sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance to the living room. The bottom and the top surface has a wood grain finish. But my favorite thing about the TV stand is the 36 inches fireplace. Not only it serves as a stunning focal point, but it also provides warmth and ambience to your space. This is the remote control that it came with to control the different settings on the fireplace. And I like the fact that the fireplace has several color options. Using the remote control, you can select whichever color that you want to satisfy your mood. You can also use it to increase or decrease the temperature, just to name a few things that you can do with the remote control. But if you don't want to use your remote control, you can also do it manually. In addition, it has this beautiful LED light. But what's cool about the LED light, you don't have to stick with one color. It came with 12 color options, so you can easily change it using the remote control or the panel to customize your space and your atmosphere. Another great thing about this TV stand, it provides great storage space, so you don't have to worry about clutter. As you can see, it has two open shelves. On the first one, I have some decorative pieces, and on the second shelf, I have a book and my cable box. In addition, it has two cabinets. Inside of them, I mostly keep games there for my family. And on the other one, I keep some books and some other items that I normally use when I am in the family room. This way, my living room will stay organized. This TV stand is designed to accommodate television up to 80 inches, making it suitable for larger screen size. And as you can see, I have a very large television on top of it. It feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel wobbly at all. So guys, tell me, what do you think about this TV stand? As for me, I think it is a substantial piece of furniture that can anchor your entire entertainment setup. I love the fireplace. I like the storage system. I love the fact that it can accommodate a huge TV. It has a clean line design. I think it will fit any decor style. I really like it in my living room. What do you guys think? Link for it will be in the description box. If you are looking to elevate or upgrade your living room, definitely check it out. Use my code GlamStyleWithDalou to get $20 off. The code will also be in the description box. Thanks to ONEINMIL for partnering with us today. Thanks to the hubby for helping me out. And a big thank you to all of you for stopping by today. Remember, before you leave, to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.